Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City roofers? Well, you're in the right place. Understanding roof repair costs can save you money and ensure you choose the right service for your home. Let's dive into how much you might expect to pay for roof repairs in Salt Lake City. The one major mistake homeowners make is not researching different roofers. Always check reviews and get multiple quotes. This can help you avoid inflated prices and ensure quality work. Cross-reference feedback and choose wisely. Another common error is assuming the cheapest quote is the best. A slightly higher cost often means better materials and workmanship, leading to long-term savings. Let's start with a big question. How much does roof repair actually cost in Salt Lake City? Generally, costs vary depending on the extent of damage and materials needed. On average, expect a range between $200 to about $1,500. A common query is about roof repair quotes. It's advisable to get at least 3 estimates to ensure you're not overpaying. The different roofers may suggest various options that could suit your budget. What about emergencies? Emergency roof repair pricing can often be higher due to urgent materials and labor. Be ready for potential costs exceeding typical repair estimates, especially during severe weather. Remember, quality roofing is an investment in your home. Don't wait. We're ready to help now. Call us at 385-300-1135 or visit allprosroofingsaltlakecity.com for your free estimate today.